Alright, lovely YouTubers, welcome back here to Tuning Dutchy. Now I'm gonna tell you guys very quickly and very easily what I have done to the car yet and what still has to be done, because there are some pros and cons. After that we are gonna do the Drive POV, which I still have said. Now, the things that currently is not working is the subwoofer and the amplifier. So I have arcing issues whenever I want to ground it. The interior light was broken. That one is already fixed. My engine oil is very thick and probably has to be replaced together with the oil filter. Also, I do not have a power steering pump. However, on the crank pulley itself, it has the availability, but that's no problem. That's good because I have gained some space for the supercharger later on. A good thing either way is that I have the sport air filter on there already, so you guys will hear that very soon as well. And the most important thing, if we talk about tuning, I can access the ECM, so the ECU. So the chip tuning is going to be way more easier than expected. Also on the exhaust, I did not do anything, so that's the first thing that actually is coming up. And also the master brake cylinder is probably not working correctly, or the ABS pump, but that's something I have to find out as well. Without no further ado, I won't talk anymore from this moment on. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. I made it as short as possible. If you don't understand it correctly, don't worry, write down in the comment section and I will give you guys there a more expanded or extended information. Anyways, I'm gonna take my jacket on and it's time to pull some throttles on the straight. Let's hear them. Let's say Tuning Dutchy on the straight again. Let the people hear that. So I'll be right back, guys, and you guys will see me in the car. Stay hanging. Alright guys, now as you can see, we are currently in the car, so enjoy the Drive POV. One thing I forgot to tell you guys, I also cannot open up the coolant reservoir. So I was forgetting to tell you guys that. Enjoy the drive. And we have an interior light and something on the windshield. Enjoy the ride, guys. Now the engine is still on the cold side, guys. I expected that the engine is going to be quicker hot than the previous car that I had, but it's not. So I have to do it a little bit more easier. So I'm gonna give you guys very quick, very easy information about the car. Now, this is a Chevrolet Matisse 0.8i, 52 horsepower, just like you guys know. 797 cc's, which is approximately 48 cubic inch. Also, this car is 1 kilogram lighter. Not much, but in tuning it has way more possibilities. So the only modification that has been made is the fixed interior light. And we have the sport air filter on there. So one very good thing which I would like to tell you guys as last is supercharging on this car would be way more easier because we don't have a power steering pump, which was the only location on the Deo-Matisse where the supercharger would fit correctly without issues or space problems. So that's actually that. Also, as said, I can gain access to the ECU for chip tuning. With a raised catalytic converter, I have the option, together with chip tuning, to gain 14 horsepower out of this stock 52 horsepower engine. So I'm very, very, very happy with that kind of results. It's more than 25%. That's amazing. So I would gain, without any modifications, from 52 horsepower up to 66. Not bad. Anyways, I stopped talking. I let you guys listen to the nice engine sound because it's already quiet. First of all, let's warm up the engine a bit better before I'm going to pull the throttle a bit. It feels it's getting hotter already. So let's do this. It's night. The most important thing if we talk about police officers or patrols. I'm happy. Is this responsible for a broken master cylinder? No sir, but we do. cars at the road at all. I have not seen a single one. Probably they have heard from Tuning Dutchy, stay out of his way because he's driving crazy now. Yep, good idea. Part of Germany as well. Very first car I see. Nice. Okay guys, now this was it. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this Drive POV. Now keep an eye out for the channel, because in the next update we are gonna probably see if my subwoofer and amplifier are gonna work, because that's something where we have some arcing issues with ground wiring. So anyways, I'm going to head upstairs. I hope you guys enjoyed this nice little Drive POV. And don't forget, night Drive POVs can be a little bit more aggressive than normal Drive POVs over day. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna turn off the interior light, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Anyways, guys, subscribe, like, share this with your friends, and I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you guys then.